Alright guys, today we're going to do some framing for a sawmill pad. The sawmill needs to be moved. It's in the area where I'm trying to build my barn, and so we're going to put a pad here. We're going to start by building a wood frame for the concrete, and in later videos we'll show you with putting the wire down and the mesh down and all that, but just today we're just going to concentrate on building the wood frame. This is going to be an 8 by 30, so it's not going to be too wide. I got it pretty level, but I'm gonna bring some dirt in here once I finish and level it off real good. As you can see, we've already made the long pieces. We need to cut out the 8-foot piece that's going to be the cross piece and put in the stakes. One good thing about having these forks on the tractor is you can use it as a workbench. Now we're going to make a cut with this without drawing a line, and it's just kind of a quicker way we do it. On the first cut you don't really have to draw the line. If you put your square up here, it can make the straight edge for you so you don't have to draw the line. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Now we're going to measure for the 8-foot cross piece and make that cut. So we got the 2 cross pieces cut. Now we're going to put them on the frame here. Alright, we got this thing framed up now. We're going to go around and put our stakes in, and then we'll check how level we are. We're going to cut about 12 stakes that are about 12 to 15 inches long. So now we're going to cut some stakes. I cut a few before and my camera wasn't recording, I don't think, but so we're going to cut 12 of them, and we're going to cut them at least 12 inches long. We're going to cut them off with the chainsaw once we finish putting them in the ground. So let's see if I can get it this time. I think that was more than 12, but we'll use them. So what we're going to do is go around the perimeter of this frame and drive in the stakes, and we'll use those to level the pad. So we're going to drive it in, and we're going to level it and nail them into the stakes. So I went on and put that one on the end so this thing wouldn't be moving any. Gotta keep it from moving. And we got this thing completely framed up. Now it's time to check the level and level it. Let's see how bad we are off.